Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Hamster Kombat, the whole withdrawal process. So the withdrawal is still not available, but it will be just in a few days, I believe. So make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. Now you want to open up your Hamster Kombat. You're going to have a few options. You will have here your exchange right here. And there's also an option of airdrop. As you can see on the right bottom corner, there's airdrop, and you can here earn some points. And also there is a withdrawal option. As you can see, you can go ahead and connect your Ton wallet here. So once you click right here, you can go ahead, click connect Ton wallet. So you can either connect Ton Keeper. You can also go ahead and connect a wallet on Telegram, OKX, and some other options. And then you're gonna click, for example, Keeper. Yes, it will open up your Keeper, and this will pop up. You want to click Connect Wallet, and after that, you can it will go back to your Hamster Kombat, and basically it will continue to load up a little bit, but it will connect your wallet. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you can withdraw it. It will be available to withdraw, as you can see, after some time. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.